Welcome to Ureka, the full-service solution for collecting, organizing, and displaying customer reviews on your website. We all know that social proof is one of the most powerful weapons in your sales arsenal, but it's a lot of work to recruit testimonials from your delighted customers, keep track of them all, and then present them elegantly on your website in a way that matches your existing branding. At Ureka, we take care of all of this for you so that you can get back to doing what you're best at, working on your business. Let's take a look at some of the key features that Ureka offers. First, customer reviews are integrated beautifully with your website, either as a single row carousel for embedding in a page with other content, or as a wall if you prefer a dedicated page of testimonials. Next, the reviews are sorted by location based on proximity to the visitor's IP address. This geolocation matching offers a more personalized experience, showing references that literally hit close to home. We simplify the process of gathering reviews by providing a simple review collection widget, which you can either embed in your website or distribute to your customers as a link in an email or a social media post. If you already have testimonials on third-party aggregators, such as Google or Twitter, we can set up an automatic ingestion so that these are collected directly for you. Finally, we can enable a friendly pop-up notification to spur the visitor to your call to action. Ureka installation is simple. It takes only a few minutes to add some HTML to your website, and we are compatible with all of the major web design platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Of course, you don't have to take our word for it. You can see Ureka in action on the websites of our existing clients, which include small to large businesses from around the globe. We offer 3 tiers of pricing to match your particular needs, and if you're not sure which one is right for you, simply send in your email for a free consultation video call. We love getting to know our clients, and we can't wait to help you leverage customer reviews to grow your business. Thanks.